Americans are notorious for loving wet naps, like this one, with the American flag imprinted on it. Well, at least it has the stripes and stars and stuff. So, how are we gonna warm this up? I mean, if we put it in the oven, but if we put it in the microwave, what will happen? Safety is our number one concern. That's why we hide behind this flimsy tinfoil shield to protect our nuts. No one likes roasted nuts. We have a proper ventilation system consisting of 2 fans. We're all gonna die. So, here's the microwave. It's sharp, and it's been through hell. In goes the wet nap. And then we seal it in. Enjoy the ride, wet nap. Wonder how long we should put it in there for. 2 minutes? Why does 2 minutes sound so familiar? I don't know. Let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna back up now. Close the door to seal us in. And turn off the light for dramatic effect. So now, gotta find the arm. Ah, here it is. That's where I'd put it. This is our remote arm, so we don't actually have to touch him. So now, hide behind the shield and go in for the kill. As you can see, the wet nap is right in the middle. I'm hoping it expands and explodes. I'm hoping it expands and explodes. There we go.
That was neat.
There we go. So, let's go find out what happened. Quick look. A moist towelette. Slightly singed, yes. But let's see if it actually works. Come on out. So here's the moist towelette. And it's actually warm, too. This is amazing. Let's see if it works. Wow. It actually does pull the grime off the microwave. So in case you're blind, you may still be wondering, is it a good idea to microwave moist towelettes? Absolutely! They become warm, and they still clean, and there's a brilliant light show. Grade A fun time. Well, that's it for Is It a Good Idea to Microwave This? I'm Jory Karen. See you later.